Welcome back, Rangers, to the channel. So I just want to try something out. This is the first time I'm doing this type of video. Let me see how this one performs. I just asked ChatGPT how to go. Where is it here? How do I go viral on Power Rangers Legacy Wars on YouTube? So let's hear what it has to say. It has a read aloud, so I'm just gonna press the
Going
read
viral
aloud.
on YouTube with content related to Power Rangers Legacy Wars requires strategic planning and consistent content creation tailored to your audience. Here are some effective approaches. 1. High-quality gameplay content. Upload high-level gameplay. Showcase intense ranked matches, skilled play, or unique team compositions to attract experienced players. Character guides and tier lists. Provide in-depth analysis of new characters, tier list updates or strategies. This positions you as an authority and helps players improve their gameplay. Event or update coverage. Be among the first to break down game updates, new character releases, or special in-game events. Have 2. Engage with trends. Trending challenges. Participate in or create gameplay challenges that align with current trends in gaming. Collaborations. Work with other content creators in the community to cross-promote and expand your reach. 3. Unique content formats. Reaction videos. React to other high-level plays or game trailers for Power Rangers Legacy Wars. Community highlights. Feature viewer-submitted clips or gameplay to engage your audience and build community trust. Tutorials for beginners. Create how-to-play guides or explain game mechanics for newcomers. 4. SEO and thumbnails. Eye-catching thumbnails. Design compelling thumbnails with bright colors and action shots. Effective titles and tags. Use keywords like Best Power Rangers Legacy Wars Team or Top Legacy Wars Gameplay to optimize search visibility. Nasha 5. Consistency and engagement. Regular uploads. Maintain a consistent upload schedule, e.g. twice a week to retain viewers. Community interaction. Reply to comments, create polls, and host live streams to engage directly with your subscribers. 6. Utilize social media. Cross-promote on platforms. Share your videos on Reddit, gaming forums, and other social media like Twitter or TikTok to attract non-subscribers. Clips and shorts. Utilize YouTube Shorts for quick viral clips of epic moments from your gameplay. 7. Educational and insightful content. Meta-analysis. Discuss changes in game balance or the current state of the meta. Tips and tricks. Share advanced techniques that set you apart from casual gameplay content. 8. Collaborate and network. Join Discords and forums. Engage with the Power Rangers Legacy Wars community to find new trends and stay connected with potential collaboration opportunities. Implementing these strategies can help grow your channel and boost the potential to go viral in the gaming space dedicated to Power Rangers Legacy Wars.
Oh wow, that was a lot, huh? So yeah, I just want to go over a couple of these points. See, they got 8 points here. So, uh, talking point number 1, high quality game content. So, high quality game content. So I'm assuming a lot of people who watch high quality game content know the big players in the game, the elites, right? And like I used to watch what's called One for All. He stopped posting, but he had really good battles. Nash got good battles. Come get these hands got good battles. Grandmaster Bird got good battles, even a smaller channel. Doggy Kruger, Anthony Cabana, right? Those are the bigger players in the game. We used to see more from Jonathan Snow before, but not anymore. I think he's trying to play other games. But yeah, so level game content, character guides, tier lists. I think I've seen Psycho Rider Rage do tier lists before, as well as shard collectors. Right, these are all consistent Legacy Wars YouTube creators. What else they said here? Improve player gameplay, event or update coverage. I started doing that in the last couple years, covering new character releases. Havoc Riser does that too, as well as Aaron Sullivan. And I find that you get a lot of views when you drop videos and talk about the new characters. You know, the teases that they post on X, Instagram, and Facebook. It usually drops first, I think, on X, and then after Instagram, and then Facebook. Because usually I get the notification while I'm working, and I can see sometimes if I'm not too busy with my work, I can see when it drops, and usually it's Twitter. You get the notification through Twitter first, or X as we call it, and engage with trends, so trending challenges. So uploading the game challenges that post after the character release. Sometimes just have random challenges like Casual Tuesday, Casual Friday. I know there's ones where we call Forever Red. With everyone, True Blue to the rescue. Boom Studios. They just posted a recent release. I think Battle for the Grid Rumble or something like that on X for you have to vote for it on X. Yeah. So I mean, if you talk on that stuff, I think that as well. Everything related to the game and social media reporting on it will help your channel out if you're starting off a Legacy Wars channel. Collaborations. I think we've done a couple collaboration, not live collaborations. I'm so down to do some live collaborations, but I am connected through some other creators such as like Psycho Rider Rage and Come Get These Hands, Sente Lord. So I do cross promote on my Discord. I do post their content. So if you join my Discord, you'll get to find other Legacy Wars content creators as well as Pokemon, other stuff like that. But a lot of Power Rangers in the Discord. Unique content formats, reaction videos. I do sometimes. I used to do the reaction videos to the new character. It's just that sometimes when I get off work, there's no point in really doing the reactions to the video. But I'm gonna start doing the reaction videos to the new character trailers. I think it did pretty good. Some of them got a few good views. Community highlights, future submitted clips, and engage your audience to build community trust. So I think here they're talking about uploading shorts, like battles of shorts. But I see that Come Get These Hands does a lot of these little 1 minute videos. I just don't have the time to do it yet. So tutorials for beginners, create how to play guides, explain game mechanics for newcomers. So I'm actually, now that I've seen this, I think I want to do a how to play Legacy Wars in 2025. Basically, just explaining how you face metas. That's the only way you're gonna get to really. I could really cover that, like cover a new guideline to how, because the game has changed since it's begun. It's a lot more complicated than it used to be. SEO and thumbnails, eye-catching thumbnails. So this is like Nash. Nash has really good thumbnails. Black Viabias has some decent thumbnails too, but Nash got the best thumbnails I've ever seen for Legacy Wars. So his thumbnails, I think, brings in a lot of traffic. Effective titles and tags, same thing. Nash does the same thing with his titles. I think my titles are not too bad. Some of them get pretty good views on my titles. Consistency and engagement. So when I've been going live recently, I've noticed I've gotten more live views, and people are engaging in the chat with the stream avatars. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do at least a live maybe twice a week. I know for sure I could do once a week right now, like on the weekend, but now we're approaching winter. I'm gonna try to do at least twice a week. I used to go live on Twitch almost every day, so I'm gonna try to see maybe two or three times a week. For sure, hopefully this month, next month, I'm gonna try to push it for twice a week. I did go live last weekend, so I'm gonna try to go live again. What's the day? Wednesday, maybe Thursday or Friday. I'll go live again for Legacy Wars. So I'm gonna try to set up a schedule. It'll be a prom 2 schedule, but it'll be a schedule nonetheless. Utilize social media, cross-promote on platforms. So yeah, I do that a lot. I do TikTok. I do Reddit, not so much. I used to post on the Legacy Wars group, but you can only post one video a week. There's another Power and Legacy Wars group that I could post all the time, but they have a smaller account, and I've posted there so many times. Mostly, probably everyone who's I've posted all the time. They've probably seen and they've already subscribed, because it's like a group of like 40 or 50 users, I think. So X, TikTok. I do TikTok sometimes. Clips and shorts. Utilize shorts, quick viral clips, epic moments from the gameplay. So this here, the clips and shorts, that helps when I go live on Twitch. I can cut some clips from the battles and then just post it directly onto YouTube. So I like that part with Twitch now. They allow you to do that. Twitch and TikTok. You could put clip from Twitch and post onto YouTube and TikTok. And the last word is collaborate and network. Join Discord servers, engage partners like Discord, find new trends, stay connected, potential collaboration opportunities, implement these strategies. Yeah, so I'm pretty much on track. I've been doing a lot of these strategies. And but yeah, let me know what you guys think about asking ChatGPT how to go viral on Power Rangers Legacy Wars. I think I've covered a lot of the creators that I watch consistently, or pretty much do a lot of these, especially like the smaller ones. Well, not smaller channels, like the newer channels that have been like a year or so, like Havoc Riser And oh, I forgot to mention Ayo Mishima. He has really good thumbnails as well too. Check out the network list. I got on my homepage. I got a network list of all the Power Ranger Legacy Wars and Power Ranger content creators that I watch and engage with on different social platforms. I'm gonna reboot out of here. If you want to reboot too, you know what to do. Give this video a like, and I catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Game